Apparently, this is what Daisy's dog kennel looks like. He opened up one of the kennel things or whatever. So if you can see, there's like a hole in the kennel over there. I'll give you a better look. Hole that we're gonna fix. It wasn't like that when we got it, so we think that the gophers are living under her doghouse. We don't know that for sure, but we're gonna try to fix that hole, I guess. Still on the pages. But I wish I would have taken a video of the actual bottom, like the bottom half of her house was run, and like there were holes, little holes in her doghouse. I wish I would have took a video, but I did not. So, just take my word for it. What's your plan here?
My plan is to pick it up.
Okay.
I thought we'd take it to the shop, put a board around the bottom of it, and then you can just paint it up there. Does that work for you?
You're gonna put a board on the bottom of it?
Yeah, around the bottom, like a trim board.
Oh.
That hole.
Oh, okay. So you're trimming all of it? He's checking the ground to make sure it's not soft, because then he would get stuck. He's coming right at us, so I'm gonna move. Come on, Daisy. Daisy, come on. Daisy, let's go. the doghouse.
Huh? She's in the doghouse? She get right up there on the pallet?
I don't know.
Is she gonna ride up there on the pallet?
We'll have to wait and see. Wave goodbye, Daisy. Or forward, whatever you prefer. Currently in Daisy's kennel. I was gonna show you what we're gonna be doing. We need to paint our house today, which my dad took a bunch of filming this weekend of what he was doing to it and how much work he actually did on it. Unfortunately, you guys will not be able to see that because it's too big and he can't send it to me and he can't connect his phone to my computer because his phone is icky. And today, actually the next 2 weeks, he's actually working for, I think, Liquid Grow. And so he's not home. Therefore, that being said, to see all the really hard work he did on it, which I appreciate. One of my first purchases next will be the mats for Daisy's kennel, because right now it just looks like a muddy mess. And, yeah, I don't know. That's definitely going to be the first purchase that I make. So you've probably seen, we rearranged everything because the house, when we took it out, which that I have that I can show you. So I'll put that in for today as well. But yeah. So he made the border around it, and then the bottom of the actual house was all rotten and had holes from like gophers getting in there and eating the insulation. So he basically made a new bottom, and then he did do this trim, which is really nice. We did spray it off, and you guys actually saw that process of spraying it off. Me doing it and my mom doing it. And then these mats that are all right there, which they're not exactly like these, but they're pretty close. And I think we're gonna do, I don't think we're gonna do all of it, which maybe we are. I don't know exactly. But her pool is slanted right now, but when we get some mats under it, it'll be even. Yeah, so today I think we're actually gonna come out. If she works 6 hours, we'll be painting this. If she works 8 hours, we will not be. I'm ready to get this done for Daisy so she has a nice new kennel area. But yeah, this is what it looks like right now. Also, she dug a hole a while back and then she started digging it again. I don't know what's up with that. Daisy, what's up with that? Huh? What's up with digging in the hole? So, I'm out here, not really knowing what I'm doing, but I'm doing it. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm scraping off the dry paint. Don't know how to do it, and Mom showed me, and I don't know if I'm doing it right, but we're doing it. So you can watch me for a little bit, and then I'm going to turn music on and listen to music while I do it. But honestly, I have no idea what I'm doing. This is what she showed me, so I'm doing it. Ooh, big pieces came off. all except for one side because we couldn't get to that side. But it's tan, and we're actually gonna spray this tin a darker color. But this is what the doghouse looks like so far. Do you like it, Miss Daisy? Hmm? What do you guys think? Does it look good? Let me know in the comments. Do we like the color of it? It matches our house almost perfectly. So her house is gonna look kind of like ours. Funny. Yeah. Yeah. So I realized that I don't really need to film today, but something I forgot to say was on the side of it, or on some part of her doghouse, we're actually gonna put a daisy on it. We're gonna paint it yellow and white, so there's actually a daisy on it. But I like the color, and we are gonna make like that tin trim and darker like color. Right, Daisy? You like your new doghouse? Yeah? That's good. It's not quite finished, but I will show us painting it. We're gonna paint another coat. We're also gonna get that other side done. So yeah, when we do that, I will actually film some of it so you can see us finishing the doghouse. And with that being said, I hope you guys have an amazing day, an amazing night, whatever it is, make it amazing. Bye guys!